Winter brings a unique charm to gardens, and growing flowers during this season requires careful planning and attention. Choosing the right flowers is the first step. Popular winter blooms include pansies, calendulas, primroses, snapdragons, and violas, all of which thrive in cooler temperatures. Before planting, prepare the soil by loosening it and mixing in compost or organic matter to provide necessary nutrients. Well-drained soil is essential to prevent waterlogging, which can damage delicate roots. Start seeds indoors if the frost is severe, using seed trays and placing them near a sunny window. This allows seedlings to develop in a controlled environment before transplanting them outside. If planting directly in the garden, ensure they are spaced appropriately to allow air circulation, which helps prevent fungal diseases common in winter. Mulching around the base of the plants keeps the roots insulated and retains moisture, which is crucial during colder months when the soil can dry out. Watering should be done carefully, preferably in the morning, to give the soil time to absorb moisture before temperatures drop at night. Avoid overwatering, as cold soil can lead to root rot. Fertilize sparingly with a balanced fertilizer to encourage steady growth without overstimulating the plants. Regularly remove dead or yellowing leaves to maintain plant health and prevent disease. Providing some protection against frost is beneficial. Use cloches, row covers, or garden fabric to shield tender blooms during extreme cold spells. Even with the chill, many winter flowers reward gardeners with vibrant colors and a lively garden during a season when most plants lie dormant. With proper selection, soil preparation, watering, and protection, winter gardens can flourish, bringing beauty and life to the colder months and offering a serene and colorful landscape throughout the season.